Hello friends, this is the Garnier Men Power White Fairness Moisturizer with SPF 15. Garnier Men Power White is the first moisturizer for men with a fairness performance so intense that you can measure it. Every day your skin is attacked by daily aggressions, exposure to sun and pollution that can cause intensive darkening and dark spots. It provides intensive visual fairness from the first day of application, enriched with brightening lemon extract that removes dark dead cells. It reveals visibly fairer and smoother skin. You get measurable fairness day after day, and it is enriched with anti-pigmenting long dan which prevents the production of skin darkening melanin and delivers a fairer result. You can measure intensively, reducing the dark spots. It contains SPF 15 protection to prevent the skin from dark spots and further darkening. It can be used throughout the year and you can get fairness performance you can measure. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Garnier Men Power White Fairness Moisturizer with SPF 15. It has a size of 45 grams. It is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am ripping it open. The MRP of the product is rupees 165 INR, but I brought it for rupees 121 INR. And here I have opened it and it is almost done, and here it is out. And here you can see this is the polythene air foam so that any damage to the content may not occur during seepage. And this is the bill sent by Amazon, and here I have kept aside the bill, and here this is the product. It is the Garnier Men Power White Fairness Moisturizer with SPF 15, and it looks very nice, very fantastic. I have brought it from Amazon.in, and here I have taken out the product from the cardboard box, and it is also packed very beautifully. And this is the Garnier Men Power White Fairness Moisturizer with SPF 15. Garnier Men Power White Fairness Moisturizer is enriched with lemon extract and anti-pigmentation long dan extract that ensure measurable fairness with SPF 15. This product acts as a moisturizer, helping in keeping your skin healthy and soft. Not only that, it also helps in reducing dark spots that might have resulted in uneven skin tone. This product from Garnier focuses on cell repair with its enriching brightening lemon extract that helps in skin whitening and also relieves the stressed skin, thereby resulting in a fresh look. It prevents skin darkening from the sun and gives you two tones of fairer skin measurable in 4 weeks. It contains skin lightening lemon extract and anti-pigmentation long dan, and this is the fairness scale where you can measure the fairness. It also gives you Power White double action face wash besides moisturizing the skin, and also gives you protection beside moisturizing the skin from the sun, and also protects the skin against pollution, and in addition to that it provides you a fairer skin. The enriched lemon extract in the Garnier Men Power White also help in the dark dead cell removal. It also is enriched with anti-pigmentation long dan which restricts the production of the skin melanin, thereby helping in the lightening of your skin tone and prevents the appearance of dark spots with results that can be measured day after day. And here I am opening it. Here I am taking out the tube, and this is the tube. This is the Garnier Men Power White Fairness Moisturizer with SPF 15. It has a net weight of 45 grams. The product has been tested and proven on Indian men. Its efficiency has been proven and powers your skin through natural energy. The SPF 15 moisturizer gives your skin the protection you need to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and skin damages. The SPF 15 containing moisturizer is very helpful for preventing sun damage and reducing the skin cancer. The ultraviolet rays which cause sunburn and damage to the outer layer of the skin, contributing to the most common forms of skin care. And here I am taking out the moisturizer, and this is the moisturizer, and here I have taken it out, and here I am applying it on my skin, and it looks very nice and it feels very soft, and you can apply it throughout the year. The SPF 15 in the Garnier Men Power White helps to prevent the skin related damage. The SPF 15 factor also protects the skin damaging sun rays to minimize the effect where the outer layer of the skin, that is the dermal layer where the new skin cells are forming. It also protects from the rays other than UVA that can damage the new cell formation and the skin collagen and elastic tissues. It is the damage of these tissues that give the men with the lot of sun exposure a leathery edged look. The Garnier Men Power White should be applied twice daily on perfectly cleansed skin. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.